Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get a honey sprinkle for free in Grow Garden. So honey sprinkle is a special item that can give your crops the honey glaze mutations and making them much more valuable. And to get one for free, just simply this icon, this add icons, this one on your screen. Just tap on it, and then in here, just simply tap on watch, and then just watch the ad until the rewards can be claimed. And just like that, you will get this honey sprinkle. This one, you can see it. But just keep in mind that the ad rewards reset every 20 to 24 hours, depending on the game. And the rewards can also change each time the reset happens. So make sure to check back daily and watch the available ads whenever they refresh. And okay, that's it. A simple and free way to get honey sprinkle and start collecting honey glaze crops. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.